Oh my God. Maybe I better go look outside. It's supposed to be raining. God, it's 5:30. It's 5:30. Look how dark it is. What the hell? Let's go outside and take a look. Oh man. Oh yeah, it's coming down. A little bit of lightning too. Oh, we don't get any hail. Boy, it's pouring. Check it out. Deep Petro 62. We need some rain, but we don't need a deluge. You know what I mean? It's coming on strong. Maybe it'll just go for a little bit and quit. I know my red light's flashing on my camera. My battery's going dead. Boy, do we need this rain. Man. Deep Petro 62. If my camera quits, then all I can say it's me and you and channel 62. Alright? I think it's getting worse. I